Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll look at Excel fill, how to apply the fill function in Excel. The fill function in Excel enables us to simplify those things that when we do it manually, it makes life so tough for us. For instance, we can use Excel fill to copy numbers. If I type 1 here and then I hold down the fill button and drag it down, you can see that it has successfully copied that particular number, and it can make as many copies as humanly possible. Now, that is not all. If you type 20 here and then you see, if you place your cursor at that point, we call it the fill icon, and we have moved it down. It will continue to copy whatever it is that we do like that. Even if it is words, hello world, hello world. All right, and we click on it, we target the fill icon and we pull it down. It will copy the words for us like that. Another way to use the fill function of Excel is to create sequences. Let's delete all this. Delete, thank you, and click out. Now remember, the other time when I typed 1 and I used the fill icon, what Excel did was to copy the 1 for me. What if I want a number series, 1, 2, 3, 4, down like that? How am I going to do it? Now, the first thing we have to do is to instruct Excel that we want to establish a sequence. And how are we going to achieve that? If we type 1 here, the next cell we type 2, and even if we don't type any other number, Excel already knows that, oh, we have established a particular sequence. So what we must first do is to highlight these two. All right, you hold down the left key and then drag over the other number. Then you come to the fill icon and then drag it down like that. Can you see the magic? Excel already established that, oh, okay, this guy he has established a sequence. Let me do the work for him. Now, it will not just work for simple numbers like this. If I have 10 and I type 20, and then I highlighted both together, and then using the fill icon, I drag it down. Excel has established a sequence and it will continue to maintain that sequence for us. It doesn't just work for numbers. If we say hello 1, hello 2, all right, and we highlight these two together and we target the fill icon and we drag it down. Hello 3, hello 4, hello 5, hello 6, hello 12. That is the power of Excel. Beyond that, Excel will also establish for us dates. If, for instance, I come here, I write 01 2023. All right, I come back, I target the fill icon and I drag it down. Excel already recognized that, oh, this is the date, and if I use the fill icon, it will create 21, 31, 41 till infinity. Now, we can try our hands on the different fill function of Excel. We can use numbers, we can use dates. We can create any number series that we wish using Excel. I will see you in the next lesson.